Jamira jira no. Jamira jira bangana mo mashi jognat.
Bangana daga bano dina an kama.
Ah. ما وحساس وين مجمعهم وحيرة وحساس وين معهم
جنديش علي ودي أصلا
سيفي أنا أودي أريه ولي بقى إن سوى ناسن بودي أريه مركا ولي بقى إن حلقة ألو جاري كرو معناها حدنا ولي بقى إن recommendation أهان إن أيان كلا تشتي ولي بمعناه ماي وحان ويدي معنا solution وحان كدي كرنا معنا ما فهمت هذيك marka macnaha recommendation ka adiga waa bixin kartaa laakiin waxa u taala macnaha dadka dhan u taalo marka ina adiga macnaha recommendation kaaga aad dhaxdigtid macnaha saan baa dhacday macnaha saan baa sameey maxaan hadda sidee ugu hortay karna arintaas oo kale macnaha
waa gartay
فهمتي؟ مركا أجندوي فرق بدن بعدين كرتا وهم بعدين مركا وقدام بنتي مركا recommendation أدي أرستي أنا إستنا نروح مركا دهلت لقى يوم أنا فكرت ده إن أنا قطو مد ومركا مركاسي أو أي نقطة فكرت ده مد أو فكرت هذه كوكو وانت هنا نقطة لكن مركب معناها لو فكرتين أو إذا سلو أو مركب الفكرة استفسدان ضد كده هذول الميتين كشركة مركزي وهو كمان ترى نكمل فكرتي سكانة يا نكمل فكرتي سكانة يا كان فكرتي سكانة يا مركب أدب وانا سنانين مركب مهمة وحوايو وتشجع أولو فريستو مش شيء مركب أدب عدت أرنتن أي أجرتو سان بجران تن بعد مركب محانا حد كسمين كرنا أو محانا حل نقوم كرا مركا أنا وين في أنت هاي English. Yeah, you know, it's really good that it's a kind of attending a meeting today. It's good that we are attending a certain kind of a meeting. Supposed to held somewhere in a very far, and it's a kind of humanitarian and aid assistance with the orphan children and you know disability children. You know how we can reach all over those people. We have some vulnerables and who are you know in big problems. Those who have been left, those who have been forgotten, a forgotten community. We have some marginalized, discriminated community. So therefore, we are planning on how to reach such people. You know, it's good that we can at least reach, at least even if not feeling 100%, maybe we can reach and maybe 80% of the community who have been targeted. And so far that really it makes me feel very happy being an orphan and disability item program manager as I'm talking to you, and it will help find more issues relating to the children's in worldwide. Really some of them are not all, but some of them have got some problems. Some of them are living in poverty. Some of them are living in orphanage. You know, something like that. For today's meeting is all about what can we do about such children, and what can we do about their future planning, their development, participations, and all of these things. So far, and actually, I'm very happy. So far, by the way, now we are heading to the meetings at least some kilometers away. We'll be very soon be reaching there. Actually, will be at least you see, and any programs relating to this issue, I will be updating you. Furthermore, details will be given to you. At least I'm proud of you guys. See my channel and then subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please welcome anytime. Bye.